AI is using everywhere. So in this modern AI period, even now using Excel or understanding Excel is not a difficult task. Anyone can use Excel, can, if you have generated some spreadsheets and some things in Excel and now you want to execute the things using formulas. So it's very easy using AI. So you can go to gptexcel.uk, just log in here. You will go to login, and you can use your email, and you will find an email with the login link, so you can just proceed that process. And once you log in, so you can see in the dashboard we have different things like including AI chat and tables, formulas, scripts, and SQL templates, billing, a lot of things. But in this video, I'm going to show you about the formulas like an Excel and Google Sheets AI assistant to generate and understand formulas. So you can generate formulas easily. So if we open this one, so input first of all, you will have to tell the AI tool what you are using, either Excel or Google Sheets or other. So we are using Excel, and we are going to like, I want the formula to be like, I have a sheet, there is something, and I need a formula. For instance, I don't know the formula, so AI will help me. Or we can also go to explained, like if we know the formula, so we can write down the formula that we want to understand. Right now, for example, if I open my Excel sheet and let me type here, for example, student name, and here if I type total marks and obtained marks, like student name is Umar Bhatt and total marks like 100, and he got like 60 marks. And another name is John and total marks 100, and he got like 40 marks. So now we need a formula. So what we can explain, like describe the formula here, like check the score in column, what column it is, like C column. Check the score in column C. If the value is greater than 50, so the cell should say pass. You got my point. Otherwise, it should say fail. So now I want, like, if the column C is greater than 50, it should say pass. Otherwise, it should say fail. So just click on generate. Now see, magically, the formula has been generated here. So even we don't memorize the formula and even we don't know it, so you can see, just copy it and go to your Excel sheet. And now here, result I want to type here. So just Control V. You can see if C1, this is actually C4. So just I will type here in the formula C4. So if C4 is greater than 50, pass or fail. So greater than 50, now it will show C pass. Same I will type here in the next cell, Control D. So Control D will copy the formula from above. Now see, this is fail, because if C5, see, C5 is this one. So the number of John, see, C5 greater than 50, so it's actually less than 50. Therefore, it is showing fail. See, so pass, fail, and see, the formula is now we generated just using an incredible tool that is called GPTEXCEL. You can go to the URL gptexcel.uk and you can generate any formula. So thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos.